Many Hindu prayers end with the same words, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. 3 times. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. Most people translate it simply as peace, peace, peace. But in the Vedic tradition, this is not just repetition. This is a profound spiritual technology designed to protect the human being from the 3 forms of suffering that govern life itself. Because according to the Vedas, peace is not merely silence. Peace is protection. Peace is alignment. Peace is liberation. And these 3 Shantis are aimed at 3 different dimensions of existence. The word Shanti comes from the Sanskrit root Sham, meaning calmness, stillness, freedom from disturbance. And before it comes the sacred syllable Om, the primordial cosmic vibration, the sound from which creation itself emerged according to the Upanishads. So when we say Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi, we are not merely asking for temporary calm. We are invoking harmony across the entire fabric of existence, the world around us, the unseen cosmic forces, and the storm within ourselves. This understanding comes from one of the deepest ideas in Vedic philosophy, Trividh Tap, the threefold suffering of life. Let us see what these 3 sufferings are. Adi Bhautik Tap, suffering from the external world. The first kind of suffering is called Adi Bhautik Tap. These are problems caused by the outer world, conflict with people, betrayal, financial struggles, violence, social stress, disease, fear for survival, which is the daily chaos of human life. So, the first Shanti is directed outward. It is a prayer saying, may there be peace in the world around me, peace in society, peace in relationships, peace in the material world. Adi Daivik Tap, suffering from cosmic forces. The second suffering is called Adi Daivik Tap. These are forces beyond human control. Earthquakes, floods, storms, droughts, pandemics, fate, karmic events, and cosmic influences. Ancient sages understood that human beings are not separate from the universe. We live inside a vast cosmic order, and sometimes life shakes us through forces we cannot control. So, the second Shanti is offered to the cosmos itself, a prayer that says, may the forces of nature and destiny become peaceful. Adhyatmik Tap, suffering from within. But the deepest suffering, according to the Vedas, comes from within. This is called Adhyatmik Tap, the suffering created by fear, anger, jealousy, anxiety, ego, grief, mental unrest, and spiritual emptiness. Even when the world outside is calm, the mind can still become a battlefield. And this is why the third Shanti is the most profound. It is a prayer to the self. May my mind become still. May my soul rest in peace. Because the highest peace is inner peace. One of the most powerful Shanti mantras appears in the Yajurveda. Om Dev Shantir Antariksham Shanti Prithvi Shantirapah Shanti Roshadhaya Shanti Vanaspateya Shantir Vishve Deva Shantir Brahma Shanti Sarvam Shanti Shantireva Shantihi Sama Shantiredhi Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. The mantra says, may there be peace in the heavens, peace in the sky, peace upon the earth, peace in the waters, peace in the herbs, peace in the trees, peace among the gods, peace in universe, peace in everything. And then comes the final seal, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. This is not merely poetry, this is a cosmic vision. The Vedic sages believed the universe is interconnected. Consciousness flows through all existence, and true peace can only arise when harmony exists at every level. The mantra even says, Shantireva Shantihi. Peace itself is peace, meaning peace is not something we create. Peace is the original nature of reality itself. In Vedic tradition, repetition in the threes represents completeness. Think about it. The Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, the time, past, present and future, body, mind, spirit, waking, dream and deep sleep. 3 is the number of totality. Ancient teachers even said, Trivaram Satyam, what is spoken 3 times becomes firmly established. So chanting Shanti 3 times is not random. It is a way of planting peace into speech, mind and life itself. So the next time you hear Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi, remember you are listening to one of the oldest peace invocations in human civilization, a prayer for peace in the world, peace in the cosmos and peace within the soul. Because according to the Sanatan Dharma, true spirituality is not escaping life. It is becoming so deeply aligned with existence that even amidst chaos, you remain in Shanti. If this video brought you peace or taught you something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep wisdom from the Ved, Upanishads and Sanatan Dharma. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shantihi. Namaskar.